Welcome to this short Muladhara root chakra meditation. The Muladhara chakra is located at the base of your spine. It's your energetic foundation. When it's awakened, we feel balanced, grounded in our body, steady in our emotions, and we feel supported in the world around us. In uncertain times, we all need a refuge, a place that reminds us that we are safe, we are supported, and we are strong. Let's take a journey to awaken that grounded place. Come into a comfortable seated position. Guide your hands in your lap. And then gently extend your spine upright. And relax your shoulders back and down to open your heart. Then I invite you to gently close your eyes and settle into a place of ease. Guide your awareness to the base of your meditation posture and feel a connection with Mother Earth. And feel a sense of being safe, secure, and grounded. And then just become aware of your whole body that is seated, grounded, and at ease in your meditation posture. Then shift your attention to the breath at the nostrils. And I invite you to start to breathe in positive energy up through the earth into every cell of your body. That's it. Breathe in positive energy up through the earth, through the base of your posture, to the top of your head. And as you exhale, just feel a sense of peace and calmness. Then as you're maintaining awareness of your breath, just bring your awareness to the base of your spine and visualize a glowing red orb of positive energy. And imagine that energy is growing roots into the ground, into the earth, creating a space of deep stability, security, and connection with the earth. Then imagine your body is like a large tree, stable, strong, and grounded as you're supported by the earth. Then we'll start to breathe in up through the earth a sense of safety and security, stability, groundedness. As you exhale, just feel the sense of relaxation, ease, releasing back into the earth. We'll breathe in safety, security, stability. And breathe out anything holding you back, with the knowing that everything is going to be okay. And guide your attention back to your breath. Then I invite you to follow the breath in through the nostrils to the space behind your closed eyes. This is the Chittakash, the seat of your highest self, Agana Chakra, that is grounded and at ease and wise. From this space, I invite you to repeat with me or let these affirmations infuse into your being. I am safe, I am grounded, and I am strong. And I am supported by the abundance that the universe has for me. I am grounded. I am strong. And I trust that the universe is supporting me. I am grounded, I am safe, I am strong, and I am protected by the universe. Repeat these affirmations, or repeat your own, and feel these words infuse into every cell of your body, grounding you and making you feel more stable and secure and belonging with each affirmation. Well done. We'll just slowly guide our awareness back to the body now, remembering and feeling that sense of being supported by the earth, being held, belonging, and that sense of safety and security. I invite you to become aware of your breath again, the space you're in, and your surroundings. And then we'll slowly return, awakening with the knowing that we are safe, we are grounded, and we are strong, and we are supported.